right, everybody. Start of another great adventure. Like I said, put the Lund away. Now it's time for bow hunting. My first time on the wood this year. We're going to go out and hunt my 40 acres and my neighbor's 40 acres. So we got 80 acres to hunt. Seen some nice bucks on camera. We're going to go after them today. I'm not sure what our specifications are, but we're going to go out and whack on them and see how it goes. So headed out right now. We'll see you in the stand. Hey, good morning, everybody. Pitch black out here. Sun's just coming up. Pretty much set to go. We'll see what it looks like when the sun gets brighter. I can just start to see the floor of the forest. We'll see how the hunt goes. I'm in what we call Cora's Corner. And Dave's in the sunshine stand. Excuse me, sunrise stand. We call it that because when the sun comes up, it shines right in your face, man. Sometimes it's hard to see, but we'll see how this goes. Slightly breezy out here today. Alright, just had a fork and a 6 walk by. They were on me a little too fast to get the camera on them, but they were at 23 yards. Let them both walk. I'll show you where they were. They were right there, 23 yards. But let those go so that you can have big ones next year. Now if I see them during the muzzleloader season, that might be a different story. But for now, they get to walk. They came from straight ahead of me and walked right in front of me to the right. That's a pinch point right there between this wet swamp on the right and the big swamp on the left. It's only highland grounds they can come through. That's why this stand is here. Because usually they come from that way or go that way. But those 2 deer came from my neighbor's barn, right behind his barn. Maybe they were in the field, I don't know. But that's the report so far, only those 2 bucks. Alright, I got down out of the stand. I had one big deer right underneath me when I got in here, but it was too dark to see what it was. So David had a spike buck right by him and let it go. So we're gonna come back out tonight. So I'll get you guys out of the sun, but no, we're gonna come back out tonight. Got some chores to do around the property here, so we'll I'll show you the stand once I walk away from it. It's pretty nice. It's like a 24-foot high ladder stand we buy. They're about 350 bucks a piece. So I'll show it to you once I walk away. sunrise stand. David's just getting down. This is our first scrape of the year right here. Right there. There's the hanging, licking branch. Right up there is the sunrise stand. All right, day 2 of the bow hunt. A little foggy this morning. Foggy and misty. So, we're headed out in the dark again. We'll see how it goes. Today, a lot of deer last night. But right before dark, there's a rabbit right there. I don't know if you can see him or not. Right there, little cottontail. Alright, headed out to the stands in the dark. See how it goes today. Alright, here's a ground view of this stand. I thought I'd show it to you. There's this beautiful little clearing right here. Look at that. Beautiful little clearing right here. There's the pines right in front of us with that shooting lane. Popples over here. The swamp is to the south of me. And I gotta walk through a little bit of it to get back. There's a little creek back there. But those deer love it back here. We never come back here except for during the bow season and gun season. So, see you back at the shack. Alright, so we're moving it from this tree to that tree, because a lot of our deer come from that direction and then come up behind us and we can't see them. So we're gonna move it right now. Hey everybody, it's the last evening of our sit, or last sit of the weekend. It's Sunday evening. David took tomorrow off, Monday, so he's with me. Paige went home. So I thought I'd show you where I'm in what we call the pine stand. We rarely hunted. We only hunted, well, last year we hunted it once. David shot a muzzleloader buck at it. But there's a pond behind me. And that forces the deer to come into these woods. So I'll show you the opening we want them to come in. It's right in front of me. Those are all 20-yard shots. I can't even stand up in this stand. There's pine boughs below me and pine boughs above me. We try to tuck ourselves in here. There's another great runway to my right, but if they come that way, I gotta shoot them left-handed. I'll show you that. Those are my shooting lanes, lefty. But every shot here's a 20-yard shot, pretty much. So, we'll see how this evening goes. Last hunt, back to work tomorrow. So, we'll catch you, if I get any action. Hey, I just toppled that 8-pointer we were after. He walked up. I'll show you where he was. He was right there. You can see my arrow's right there. And he's dead right over there. Right about there. I got him on my TACTACAM. Pretty cool, man. I don't have my other what do you call it? Big camera with me. It wouldn't fit in this tree, so. But he's down right over there. I know he's down. I whacked him good. Yeah. Oh, there's another deer right over there. Another buck right over there. Holy shit. I didn't even see that one. There's a spiker right over there, I think. Or a fork. I'll see if I can show it to you. Little spike mark. He's toast. There you go. He's walking away. See him walking over there. All right, here it is. Got her hung up in the shed. Nice little buck. Gonna skin it now. Entry hole. Exit hole right below the front shoulder. Went through all the vitals, went about 40 yards. The old lungs in storage. So we'll get to cleaning her. Oops, got the light in ya. Nice little 8-pointer for my area. Gonna be tasty, I tell you.